In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple cameras in Zoom. So you can actually use your laptop standard webcam as well as an additional angle. You can use the other angle for a wide shot. It might be a bit more flattering than having something that looks straight up your nose or makes you look different. Or you can have a top-down view if you're doing some type of educational stream. So I'm going to show you how to connect it to your computer as well as how to switch in the software between the cameras to make it a nice viewing point for your audience. So let's go to my view now and I can show you how I'm setting it up with my laptop. So in order to add another camera to your live stream, this is what you will need. So right now I'm giving you an example of one option. This is a cable that can be used alongside this action camera to make the action camera a webcam, which can be used for live streaming. That basically plugs in there, that goes in the laptop. I've got a nice long cable because I can position the camera away from the standard monitor screen, because obviously it looks a bit more flattering. I have a cheap little tripod here. This tripod is very handy. You use it for mobile phones. It's got extending legs and you can actually position it on your desk to give you that extra little height. This cage normally comes with action cameras, so you can put your action camera within that and then the whole thing can screw onto the little tripod. Now what this allows you to do is, you can see I can position that camera where I want to. It's got a little ball joint, so you can actually adjust it to get the perfect balance. And again, that would plug in. If I show you an example of that by placing it here, and we'll plug this setup in and let you know how that works. That's option number one. Let me show you option number two. The second option is you can actually pick up a webcam, a 1080p webcam with a USB cable. In this situation, everything's already connected. You have nothing to worry about. You plug that into your computer and this webcam can be selected from the list to allow you to show what it looks like. I'll show you the examples in the software in a second. So this actually has something that can allow you to use this on top of a desk. So if you've got a desk, you can put a couple of books up. You can even put like a water bottle or something and actually mount that on top of it. So it's got the right height, so you don't need to buy a stand or anything. It's just a case of adapting what you have, or you could have it as a secondary angle where you can do some top-down examples. So let's go into the laptop and see how this would work in the software itself now. To support this video, I've got a link in the description to my mailing list. Make sure to sign up to that and you'll get an instant email with help sheets, guides and frequently asked questions which will help you get through this journey. So showing you the software settings inside of Zoom. Once you log in, you have a little cog here. You click on settings. It brings up your settings menu. Here you can actually have a few options for video and audio. Select on video and you'll see an option here for multiple camera listings you can decide between. You can see USB video, general USB, EOS webcams. There's multiple options there. If I was to select that one down here, then that is an action camera which we can use right now. So it's a little bit dark. You can use original ratio. You can have a enable HD. Make sure to enable HD because that'll be the higher quality, as well as have I plugged in the USB. Let me see if I can show you the secondary view. Okay, so you can see there I've switched between the cameras. You can easily select whichever one is that you're interested in down here and up there, for example. So that's giving you multiple options to be able to use as a webcam. So you're switching between them basically. So if I was to be in a meeting, let's make a quick new meeting. It's connecting. Make that there. That's a very close view. Can I show you this menu down here? Okay, so as close, let me make that a little bit smaller so you can see it properly on the screen. Just like that. So that's up there. You basically go down to the menu. Don't actually click stop video, but you click on the little tag here and you can flip between each of your cameras, which gives you multiple options and multiple views, up, down, left and right. You can have multiple things if you're teaching. That's a very handy option for you to give you some great capabilities in your next stream. Thanks, I'm hoping you found that useful. This is a series of videos I'm doing to help you use and make the most of your live stream, especially if you're doing any type of educational streaming for classes or anybody else. If you're teaching things, that's a great thing. So I want you to be able to set up your angles and how you want it to work best. If you're having any problems or you're struggling, be sure to comment below. I'll get back to you and try and give you a solution or give you alternatives. Ultimately, we want to make sure you're getting the best from your live stream and the people you're streaming to find it helpful. So check out this video. There's more options here to help you with that.